Guys, hi. Today I'm going to cook my husband dinner. Chicken, kimchi, fried rice. Because I don't know what I cook for him. So I will make for him a chicken, kimchi, fried rice. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now I'm so happy. I reached 191 subscriber now. Thank you for all your support. To all my friends, thank you very much. Appreciate it. So for more videos, subscribe me, Ishan, Cooking with MJ. And don't forget to follow my Facebook, MJ Huran. Like, share, and comment. Subscribe now. Bye. These are the ingredients, guys. Guys, before I start, I'm going to make dinner for my husband. Kimchi, chicken, fried rice. So now, before I start, please subscribe my channel, Ishan Cooking with MG, and don't forget to follow my Facebook, MG Huran. Thank you all very much. Here, I will start my... There, guys. Now I'm going to pour the sesame oil. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And garlic. 3 cloves of garlic. You have to saute it into golden brown. Onions. I put a lot of onions, guys, because my hand loves onions. So you need to stir fry until it gets brown. So now I'm going to saute the tomato and kimchi, cabbage kimchi. And mix it well. Black pepper, 1 tablespoon black pepper. It's very easy if you follow the recipe. Stir it for 3 minutes.
So now I'm going to open. Okay. I'm going to add the chicken. This chicken, I put with the can, guys, and then I strain the chicken. You can put tuna if you want, tuna or pork meat, beef, shrimp, whatever you want. Okay. Now simmer it into 3 minutes or 2 minutes. Let's check. Let's stir my fried rice. So now I'm going to add the rice. You have to mix it well, guys. So this is chicken kimchi fried rice. You can put the tuna or sardines to mix if you have no chicken, and also shrimp, beef if you want, or if you want make as a combo, mix together the meat, chicken, or seafoods. It's up to you, guys. It depends on you. So make sure all this mix the rice very well. home from work, he always open the microwave because he knows the food is there. I always make no matter what. How busy I was, if I can make it, my daughter made for him. So guys, I put like little bit soy sauce